Hey everybody, it's Serena Holmes Realtor here. I'm excited to share an exciting opportunity for anyone who's interested in land development. Now, if you're not familiar with Darren Voros, then you should be. He's an expert in all things land development, and he's hosting a workshop on Saturday, February 18th, so you can understand how this is something you can take advantage of for yourself. To learn more, keep watching, and to sign up for the workshop, please click the link in my bio, scroll down, and sign up for the Ultimate Land Development course.
Hey, I wanted to let everyone know about my upcoming development workshop. For those of you that missed the first one because it sold out so quickly, I've added a second session. So it's coming up in a couple weeks' time. And this development workshop is really designed around taking a project from conception all the way to completion. So if you're new to development, this is the perfect workshop for you. We're going to talk about how you find the right development deals, how you get them financed, and then of course how you can raise capital to do some larger projects if that's what you're interested in. So it's a full one-day session. You can find the registration info in the link below. I look forward to seeing you there.